Do 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 do.
Woke is just another smoke, light and white, that's what they told. Screens are burning in your home,
Selling fear to keep you cold.
they dress it up in suits and hats,
Say we're clean, we're pure, relaxed.
while the silence slowly cracks and truth gets buried under facts. They say the world is going down,
So don't you dare look up around.
the sun is free, the air is wide,
But they keep you locked inside.
left wing, right wing, same damn bird, flying circles, feeding words, and the joke you never heard. Both wings placed on the left side. No balance, no sky, no flight, just a loop inside your mind, and the truth sits right outside while you scroll your life away.
Healing comes in monthly plans, pain packaged in golden brands. Fix yourself, they understand how to keep you where you stand.
Every wound becomes a trend, every fear they help extend.
Sell your darkness, call it depth. Keep you searching, never rest.
They say it's broken, every part, while you still breathe with a beating heart. The forest waits, the rivers flow, but that's not where they want you to go. Left wing, right wing, same damn bird, flying circles, feeding words, and the joke you never heard. Both wings placed on the left side. No balance, no sky, no flight, just a loop inside your mind, and the truth sits right outside while you scroll your life away. Step outside,
Feel that,
no subscription,
no permission,
no politician.
Jonatician, just breathe.
Left wing, right wing, same damn bird. Now you see it, now it hurts, but the silence speaks in words when you finally step outside. 2 feet down on living ground, no more chains in what you found, and the truth is all around. You are free the whole damn Woke is just another smoke,
Let it fade.
let it go.